Hello, my name is Anna Martinsson and I'm a member of the board of Sinoba. Sinoba is a patient association in Sweden for people with bladder and bowel problems. We have recently designed and published a new website where we have gathered all information about different bladder problems. And that is to increase the knowledge and the awareness of these problems. The purpose, the first step in sustainable continence care is to give people the awareness and the knowledge so they can seek help and get the solution for their problems. We also try to increase the knowledge between professionals, and we have started to certify consultancies, first in primary care, but now also in specialist care. And what we do is that we have set up some requirements that they have to fulfill to get this certification, and once they are certified, they will put into a Swedish map, interactive map, where you can find them. So when you as a person have problems with your bladder and want to get help, you can find these consultancies that are certified, and then you will know that you will have good professional help with your problems. Thank you.